Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. So today we are reviewing, and I have been wanting to review this for the longest, but when I tell you guys, it's a little bit on the pricier side. This is a 2.5 ounce and it's $65. So it's the Micro Essence. Let's take it out and see what this is all about. So here is the 2 point, like, come on. All right, so this is the 2.5 ounce, and just so you guys can see for size, here's my cell phone. Okay, so when using this, they recommend you can like put a few drops in your hands and then just press it over your face. I am a cotton round girl, which is also recommended. You can do it either way, so I just prefer to put my products on a cotton round, but because I go through so many cotton rounds, I've gotten these little reusable things here. You can use them for skincare, and you can also use them for cleansing your face. I have several of these. They are available on my website if you guys are interested. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the top off and take this little guy off, and I'm gonna put several drops on my reusable round. I can get this off. I've been wanting to use this product for such a long time. It is a little bit thicker than like the witch hazel that I use all the time. It feels so good. They call it a lotion. Not like a lotion, you know, like a body lotion, anything like that, but has a really silky feeling to it. It feels really good on the skin. So I'm just going to saturate my skin with this, and we're going to see how it does. So what I plan to do is pull back from my witch hazel, which you guys know I love my witch hazel, but I'm going to pull back from that, and I'm going to use this for a week, and we're going to see, what's today? Today is Monday, so we're going to, I don't know, I might come back midweek, I'm not sure, but we're going to see if there's any improvement in our skin. Okay, feels really good. So we're going to come back in a couple days after using this, and I'm going to try both methods. I'm going to try with my round, and then I'm going to also just try with my hands and pat it in and see how that works as well. So I will see you guys in a couple days regarding this video. Stay tuned. All right, so as you see, I have been using this. I feel like I've been using more than what I need to. But anyway, aside from that, you can see that I have been using it, and I have been loving how this makes my skin feel. It's really nice, supple, and really soft. I really noticed my skin has been really soft since I've been using this. So this is just a check-in. I know I said a week or a couple days previously, but actually it's been a couple weeks and probably a month. That's why so much of it has been gone. So much of it is gone. But yes, this is just a check-in. I'm going to do my makeup, and I'll be back. We will revisit some of the benefits, and we'll compare my skin according to those claims, okay? So I will be back after I do my makeup. All right guys, so I am back. The Micro Essence Lotion. Okay, let's read the claims again. So the claims are Micro Essence, fast penetrating, nourishing texture with essential nutrients, intensively hydrates to minimize the appearance of dry pores and reduce the look of fine, dry lines. Skin is soothed and its inner glow is revealed. Micro Essence helps soothe skin to minimize the look of redness, awaken youth, healthy looking skin, softer and smoother, glowing and vitality. Special made in Japan, as mentioned before. I feel like, I'm not gonna say all, but most Asians' skin is flawless. Like, it just looks really, like, just really plump and supple. So, and again, just working, when I worked for Estee Lauder, they would come in. Like, one time we had a gift and was giving away these with the gift. They were like trying to get like tons of them. Anyway, so I do agree that it does give me, I did notice that my skin was really soft and really smooth. I can probably say I can relate to most of it. However, I have been using a different serum besides the Advanced Night Repair, and I can tell that my pores, you can see them right there. They're just like right there. So I will admit I did not use this consistently, like every day, but maybe like every other day or maybe every third day. I do like this. Again, I will admit that I did not use it every day. So maybe if I had used it every day, I would have seen a difference in my pores. But I'm gonna try to use the rest of this like consistently every night, just to see if I see a difference in my pores. But yeah, I like it. My skin feels good. It does feel hydrated. I like it. Again, I'm gonna finish up the rest of the bottle. I'm going to try to use that consistently every night until it's gone and see if I see a difference in my skin. And then once that is gone, then I'll jump back to my serum that I love so much. So that is it for this video, guys. Let me know if you have tried this product and what do you think about it. Again, this is just my first bottle, so really to see results in anything, I would probably say consistently like 4 to 6 weeks, but that's just my opinion. That's just my skin. So again, if you guys have tried this product, let me know what you think about it. If you have any questions or concerns, leave those down below. So that is it for this video. So if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, please consider giving your girl a follow at LRH Makeup, and also now on TikTok _beauty over 40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notification, that way you will be notified when I upload new content. All right guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.